It's a 2015 Nissan Versa Note. Economical doesn't have to be boring. Open up the hatch on this fuel-efficient, roomy and fun-to-drive Versa Note. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Auxiliary audio input, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, power mirrors, air conditioning, continuously variable automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. This from Edmunds.com. The Versa Note isn't designed to press you back against the seat during hard acceleration or thrill you with its handling around turns. This small hatchback is neither quick nor sporty, but it does take you from point A to point B, and considering its low price, its cabin accommodations are respectable. Nissan, built for the human race. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Come on, let's get rolling. Come on, let's get moving. Think Thayer.